see the transfer switch is mounted. We're doing the connections here, and the generator is in location. We have to keep 5 feet far from the generator and any opening, like the window right now, so that the exhaust doesn't come to the house. So the labels are transferred. Turn them off to do the test. When the test is done, we will give the power to the house. Double check if everything is correct. These wires are not live, so that's why I don't have a glove. Okay. Everything. Before I give the power to the house, I just check the voltage that comes from the generator. This is a 14 kilowatt air-cooled unit. The maximum amp that it gives to the house is 60 amp. We definitely don't want to go maximum all the time, so we consider 80% consumption, continuous consumption, which brings us to 48 amp, 50 amp. It's doing more than essentials, some lights, fridge, freezer, plus a couple of baseboard heaters. We are able to put all these items on this size generator. So the installation is done. We are ready to do the test. The activation is done. We did the setup with the customer. We're going to connect the Wi-Fi, and then we're going to start the generator, check the output, and we are good to go.